Just think about it. Your Social Security number, IRS forms, and medical information in the hands of the nation's #1 killer of unborn children. Residents of Iowa, Montana, and New Hampshire will be facing this reality as they check out their health care exchange options under Obamacare. The Department of Health and Human Services is paying 3 state-based affiliates of Planned Parenthood to hire so-called navigators. Those are the people charged with helping you find the best coverage and determining your eligibility for a subsidy. But they have access to a vast database containing sensitive information on virtually every American citizen. So how reliable is Planned Parenthood? Can they be trusted with this information? According to the Houston Chronicle, a Texas-based affiliate has just settled a fraud case for $4.3 million. Here's another example. In 2008, investigator Lila Rose of LiveAction.org entered the Bloomington, Indiana Planned Parenthood clinic disguised as a 13-year-old girl impregnated by her 31-year-old boyfriend. Staff member Diana, a nurse, knew the law but refused to report the apparent statutory rape.
Because I feel like he would be in really big trouble.
Right, because I don't want to know how old he is. Okay.
What do you mean?
I don't want to know how old he is. Okay. And because in the state of Indiana, anyone 13 years and younger, there has to be a report done to CPS,
And did you know that the Department of Health and Human Services does not require background checks for the navigators? In fact, a previous criminal conviction won't necessarily disqualify such a prospective employee, even if the applicant has been convicted for identity fraud. Scary, isn't it? Planned Parenthood had its roots in the eugenics movement. Wikipedia reports its founder, Margaret Sanger, believed that lighter-skinned races were superior to darker-skinned races, and admitted to speaking at Ku Klux Klan rallies. All of this raises an interesting question. Why would a black politician like Barack Obama do a favor for Planned Parenthood? I know what you're thinking. All that racial stuff was in the past. But according to recent census data and information from the Centers for Disease Control, the abortion rate for blacks is 5 times the abortion rate for whites. As the country's #1 abortion provider, Planned Parenthood has to share the blame. If Mr. Obama had to answer our question, I believe he'd say something like this.
Answering that question with specificity is above my pay grade.
This is Steve Eastman reporting.